Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into make.com, formerly known as Integrate Integromat. If you have ever wanted to automate tasks between your apps without coding, this beginner-friendly tutorial is just for you. By the end of this video, you will be able to create your first automation, or as Make calls it, a scenario. So what is Make? Make.com is a powerful automation tool that connects apps and devices to automate repetitive tasks. Think of it as your digital assistant. It works 24 hours and 7 days, and that doesn't ask for coffee. Integrates with 1000 plus apps like Gmail, Notion, Airtable, Shopify, Discord, and more. Drag and drop interface, no coding required. Used by freelancers, marketers, business owners, and even students. Let's get started. Go to make.com and click on sign up or get started for free button. You can use Google or any email. For email, enter your full name, enter your email, then create a strong password like that, and enter hosting region or country, and click on sign up for free. Now check your email for verification. Then click verify email and log in again. Enter your email and password which created earlier. Then complete the profile with the on-screen instruction like development, then social media, then click get started. Once you are in, you will land on the Make dashboard. On the left section, you will see templates, webhooks, connections, etc. Top right, create new scenario. Bottom, task uses for the month, great for free users. Time to create your first automation, or what Make calls a scenario. Click on create a new scenario. Let's automate this like plus button. Click the plus button in the center, search and select Gmail. Use a trigger like watch emails. Connect your email account, The first time, Make will ask you to log into your Gmail to authorize access like that. Now we need to decide what happens after the trigger. Let's add a Google Sheet module. Click the plus icon, search for Google Sheet. Now choose add a row. Connect your Google account, then click save. Choose your spreadsheet and sheet name. Now map the data from Google like subject, sender, and date into your sheet columns. Before we go live, let's run a test to make sure everything works. Click run once. Send a test email. If it works, Make will show a green check and data will be added to your Google Sheet. When you are ready, click schedule. To turn your scenario to run automatically. Don't want to build from scratch? Make has hundreds of ready-made templates. Auto post from Instagram to Twitter, save Notion tasks to Google Calendar, send Slack messages from new Stripe payments, cross post YouTube videos to Discord. Just pick one, tweak the settings, and you are good to go. Now about pricing, Make has a generous free plan with 1000 operations per month. That's more than enough for small automations. If you need more paid plans, start at just a few dollars monthly. So that's how you get started with Make.com as a beginner. Here are some quick tips before you go. Always name your scenarios. Use the tools module for formatting text, dates, or numbers. Use filters to control when an action should or shouldn't happen. Join the Make community for ideas and help. If you want more tutorials on specific automations like Notion to Google Calendar or Shopify to Telegram, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.